When there are so many coloured pencils to choose from, it can be really hard to pick colours that are going to give you accurate results. If your colours are slightly off, it can make your drawings look very unnatural and sometimes discoloured, so picking the perfect colours for your drawings is really important so that you capture the reference photo. I have 3 ways that will help you pick the perfect colours for your drawings and get you those natural and accurate results. Since I've started using these methods, I've noticed that my own drawings have really improved because I have more confidence that I'm choosing the best colours for my drawings. The first method I'll be showing you is the colour swatches method, and this is one of my favourite ways for picking the best colours for my drawings. I've created coloured pencil swatches for all of my pencil brands, so I have swatches for the Prismacolors, Polychromos and the Luminance pencils. I've swatched every single colour onto paper so that I have a constant visual of all my colours in the sets. Colour swatches are really easy to make. I'd recommend just taking a scrap bit of paper and going through all of your pencils and just do a swatch for each one. When I'm creating swatches, I try to add a moderate size colour swatch to the paper so it's easy to identify colours and compare them to your reference photo. I also write the names of each pencil or their number so I know exactly what pencil I used to create each swatch. To expand your colour range, you can always create swatches from different coloured pencils, but just make sure that you write the names or numbers of the pencils down so you know which pencils you use to create those certain swatches. When I'm using my colour swatches for colour picking, I will hold the swatches up to different parts of the reference photo and I will try and identify which colours I feel are the most accurate to different parts of the reference photo. The next colour picking method I think is a brilliant way to pick really accurate colours is a free phone or tablet app called Arty. I downloaded this for free from the App Store onto my iPad and it is a fantastic way for picking really accurate colours. Simply download your reference photo into Arty and select which brand of coloured pencils you would like to compare. You can colour compare Prismacolors, Polychromos and Luminance pencils. Once you've selected your coloured pencils, all you do is use your finger to move around the reference photo, and as you move around the photo you will notice that it will tell you which pencils they recommend you use for that drawing. So it does help you get very specific colours for your drawings, and the other great thing about this app is that it tells you the accuracy of every colour and how it matches with your reference photo. It will also give you a breakdown of the colour saturation, hue and brightness, so it literally refines your colour picking process down to a T. Photoshop or Microsoft Paint gives you the tools to pick very accurate colours, so it's a simple and effective way again to help you pick the colours you need for your drawing. I find that Photoshop gives slightly more accurate results because the colour wheel is a lot more extensive than Paint, but I understand that not everyone has Photoshop and you can pick colours for your drawings using either software. All you do is open your reference photo into either Photoshop or Paint and select the eyedropper tool. As you go over certain areas of the reference photo with the eyedropper tool, colours will flash up which you can then refer to your coloured pencils. This way is a little time consuming, but you can get really accurate colour picking results. I also like to create little swatches using the painting tool and then compare them to the coloured pencils I am using. So those are 3 really effective and great ways to get accurate results when picking colours for your coloured pencil drawings. I'd be really interested to know if you have any other suggestions for accurate colour picking that I haven't mentioned in this video. If you do, don't forget to leave a comment down below, and I hope you did pick up lots of helpful tips from today's video. I will be back very soon with another video here on my channel, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to be notified of all my future uploads. I also have all of my social media accounts listed down below, so make sure you check that out as well, and of course I will see you soon. Bye!